Imagine this. A new generation of stealth fighters touches down on European soil. Cameras flashing, soldiers lined up, and governments making big political statements. This isn't just another military delivery. This is Belgium officially stepping into the fifth-generation warfare era. Yes, Belgium has finally received its first batch of F-35 Lightning II jets, rejecting European fighters like the Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon in the process. But why did a European nation, surrounded by European defense industries, go for an American jet? Let's break it down. Part 1. The arrival of Belgium's first F-35s, 035-130. On the morning of the official induction, 3 F-35 fighter jets landed at Florennes Air Base, escorted with full ceremony. These jets are set to replace Belgium's aging F-16 fleet, which has served the country for decades. However, one of the 4 jets, with tail number FL011, did not make it. It was forced to remain back due to unscheduled maintenance. Belgium clarified it isn't a breakdown, but a safety-first policy. If there's even a slight doubt, the aircraft stays grounded. Still, optics matter. The media immediately picked up the narrative. Belgium buys advanced jets, and one gets stuck on the way. A question mark was already forming. Part 2. Why F-35? What was the promise? Belgium evaluated all options in 3 main areas. Advanced technology and stealth. The F-35 offers stealth capability, real-time data fusion, and network-centric warfare, something older fighters simply cannot match. NATO interoperability. Belgium is a core NATO member, and most NATO air forces are shifting to F-35. A common platform means easier joint missions, shared intelligence, and smoother logistics. Lifetime cost promise. Initially, the F-35 seems expensive, but over its 40-year life cycle, the U.S. promised a more optimized cost compared to Rafale and Eurofighter. Belgium wanted a jet that could survive in a future battlefield, not just today's. And in that category, stealth outperformed raw dogfighting capability. Part 3. Why Rafale and Eurofighter were rejected, 230-330. When Belgium announced its decision, France was furious. French officials even called it a betrayal of European defense cooperation. So why did Rafale and Eurofighter lose? They are 4th-generation fighters upgraded with modern systems, while the F-35 is designed from day one as a stealth strike platform. Interoperability gap. European jets would require adaptation to NATO's new digital network. F-35 comes pre-aligned. Political leverage. Buying European means remaining within EU industries. Buying American means aligning deeper with U.S. defense doctrine and supply chains. This is not just a military purchase, it's a strategic alignment choice. Part 4. The hidden concerns and controversies, 330-430. While the F-35 is advanced, it's not perfect. Software control and dependence. The U.S. holds control over core software updates, mission data, and even potentially limiting certain features in case of political disagreements. Historical delivery issues. Belgium previously rejected 2 F-35 deliveries in 2023 due to software certification failures. Maintenance ecosystem. Unlike the F-16 era, where Belgium had more local maintenance capability, the F-35's stealth coding, sensor suite, and classified hardware require U.S. approval and support. So yes, Belgium is getting next-gen power, but it comes with strategic dependency. Part 5. Bigger picture. What this means for Europe. 430-520. With Belgium joining the F-35 club, Europe is slowly forming what defense experts call a stealth wall. A networked fleet of F-35s operated by countries like Italy, the UK, the Netherlands, Finland, Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, and Norway. This connected fleet allows real-time radar sharing, battlefield mapping, and airspace dominance. But this also creates a divide inside Europe, between nations adopting American jets and those pushing for European-made future fighters like the FCAS program led by France and Germany. This decision will influence Europe's defense balance for decades. Part 6. What happens next? 520. 6 Aus. Belgium plans to phase out its F-16s and eventually donate many of them to Ukraine once F-35 units become fully operational. Key things to watch now. Will Belgium face operational delays integrating the F-35 fleet? Will politics or U.S. software control limit Belgium's true combat independence? And most importantly, will this push Europe towards or away from a unified defense strategy? Settings. Add any subtitle.